All right, so I just got the center diff rebuilt, and I'm going to start on the front diff. But I need to pop it out. So, let's see what we got here. Besides a mess. No. Can we see? I don't think we can see. Let's see. How about we do that and call it good enough? So this will just be kind of like exploratory surgery here. I do have a book. Let's see what the book says. Maybe this has some easy access diffs. It's easy access, baby. Center diff, front diff definitely does have. And I gotta take those off. So it looks like there is the case splits. Oops. Okay. What is under here? Oh, it's right there. Sorry, I keep hitting my head. Right there. Huh. I think I'm taking a bunch of shit off underneath you. There we go. Well, if I don't need to take that off.
Where's the screen?
What?
This.
I don't know. It's just a cover that goes. I mean, these bumpers kind of make it a pain in the butt, but this thing should come off. I'm gonna have to get rid of those wires. I can't stand them. Let's flip this guy over. See, these guys are out. Probably can't see this. Oh, there's two more on the bottom. So there's two more right there. So there's 4, 6. I think my battery's about headed. All right.
What happened to this place?
I don't know what part that is, Charlie. I'm working on my car. All right. Keep your fingers crossed. Oh, there we go. Paparuski. Ooh, look at that. There she is. I'm curious to see what's wrong with this guy. All right. Looks beefy. What do you think? I mean, it's dirty looking, but that's super clean. I don't see a lot of wear on there. And they have a slight little curve to them, a slight helical to them. Definitely something going on in there. Oops. So we're done with this. That looks pretty good in there. That holds it pretty good. Well, I can't wait to see what's in here. I don't know how you blow up a front diff. Something that's not that old. I'm trying to be gentle. gasket here? Not seeing a gasket. Yeah, if there's no gasket, it's going to be way too tight. You know that? I don't think that diff's blown. I don't think the diff's blown. I think it's he doesn't have the gasket in here, so that'll always cause problems. That will cause problems. Feels like pretty heavy oil too. All right, I'm gonna top her off. Oop, oop. So I might not even dip into the... Dang, I just can't believe that. If this fixes it, that's gonna be even a better deal, because that means I have 2 brand new diffs in my boneyard instead of a bunch of diff parts. This might change my plan. Okay, so there you go. Here's my red Loctite. All right, so now that I got these all snugged, I'll just go through and snug them again. Yeah. And that should fix our problem. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Wow. Okay. So we've got new front diff, new center diff, and so we went 100. Well, we topped it off with 100. We refilled this with 500. All right. So we'll leave that there. All right. And next, I'm gonna put those in.